Namaste, dear children. Today we are going to read two poems, and our first poem is about a child who is trying to tell us that how he would behave if he had a donkey. So the first poem is The Donkey. So let's start. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. The child is saying that if I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, that means if his donkey is not willing to do the things like the child want him to do, or the donkey does not want to go to places where the child wants him to take, then what should the child do? The child is asking, would I wallop him? Wallop means hitting hard. So what do you think? The child would be right if he would hit him hard? No, no, no. The child is saying that he would not wallop him. He will not hit him. Then what the child should do? How he will make him to do the things? So the child is saying, I would find a little hay. What is hay? Hay means dried grass. And dear children, the grass is cut and then dried, and this grass is used as food for animals, and we call it hay. I would find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. So the child is saying, instead of walloping him, instead of hitting him, what the child will do? He will bring him little hay. That means dried grass he'll bring for him, and he'll give him some corn also, and then the donkey will be happy. So the child is saying that if I would give him little hay and if I give him some corn, then he'll become my friend and he will listen to me, and he would definitely go to the places where I want to take him, and he will become the best donkey that ever was born. So this was the first poem. Our next poem is I had a little pony. Pony means a small horse. I had a little pony. His name was Dapple Grey. I lent him to a lady to ride a mile away. In this poem, the child is telling that he had a little pony. That means he had a little horse. And the name of the pony was Dapple Grey. And what the child did? The child lent his little pony to a lady so that that lady can take a ride on it. What does mile means? Mile is a unit like kilometer, meter. You have read in maths, no? In the same way, mile is a unit in which we measure distance. So this child lent his pony to the lady so that lady can ride on it for a mile away. But what the lady did, let's find it in the second paragraph. The lady was very cruel. What she did? She whipped him. Whipped means that to force an animal to move very violently. And whipped also mean to hit someone very hard with a long, thin piece of leather. So she was very cruel and she lashed him. Lashed also means to hit someone very hard or to hit someone with great force. She drove him through the mire. Mire means, dear children, the land which is very swampy or muddy that you can get trapped inside. So, see the cruelty of the lady. She whipped him, she lashed him, and she forced him to drive through the mire. She forced him to drive through the muddy land where the little pony might have get stuck. I wouldn't lend my pony now for all the ladies hire. Now the child is so much hurt with all this that the child has decided that for any amount of money given to the child, she will not lend her pony to any lady, to any person to ride.